Did this bitch on one take?
Yeah, I got all these niggas asking me the features, bro. But let me tell y'all niggas, I ain't your teacher, y'all are your tutor. Y'all niggas best believe, y'all niggas gotta give me some. Because I be doing all these things for all of these niggas. And they ain't give me shit, they don't even let me post it. Like, boy, I'm posted. Y'all niggas know what I'm saying, boy, I'm gon' roast it. Cause nigga, you toasted. Y'all niggas ain't that good. I didn't do this shit cause I need this bitch supposed to get out my word. Little bird. Like, how is this word? Tell me how did that work? Y'all niggas don't put in no work. I do all this shit, you don't even give me no word.